Good morning, students. Hope doing good. Due to the pandemic, we are not able to experience the regular classes facing each other. Learning never stops. So I, Humaira Aziz, will help you in understanding mathematics at the comfort of your home. Sit back with concentration and watch the complete video. We are all surrounded by numbers, aren't we? So let's get into the mysterious world of numbers. Let us learn the different types of numbers. In our lower grades, we have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and so on. Let us recollect what is a rational number. A rational number is a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Children, when we say q not equal to 0, it means in denominator we cannot have a 0. Hope you remember that we have studied division by 0 is not defined. We represent rational numbers using capital Q. Rational numbers includes all types of numbers other than irrational numbers. That is, it includes integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, etc. What is an irrational number? A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is called as an irrational number. A decimal that can be written as a fraction either ends. Now when we say ends, it means terminating, to terminate, or forever repeats about, which we will see in detail now. Real number pi. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7, and when we expand it, its value is 3.14159 and so on. The number neither start repeating themselves nor comes in a specific pattern. Hence we say pi is an irrational number. The real numbers include all types of numbers such as integers, whole numbers, natural numbers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Let us learn about the different types of decimal expansion of numbers. It can either be terminating, that is, ending, non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-terminating means after division, we don't get a remainder as 0. Non-recurring. Recurring is repeating. It does not repeat. The digit does not repeat. Non-terminating, recurring. A terminating decimal is an expansion in which the remainder becomes 0. The division ends. So it is called as a terminating decimal. A rational number is any terminating decimal or recurring decimal. Non-terminating, recurring. In this form, when a number is divided by the other, the remainder never becomes 0. Instead, the numbers of the quotient start repeating themselves. Such numbers are classified as rational numbers. Please look at the below example. 7250 have started repeating itself. Hence it is a rational number and it can be expressed in p by q form. Non-terminating, non-recurring. In this form, when we divide a number by another, remainder never becomes 0 and also the number does not repeat themselves in any specific pattern. If a number is non-terminating and non-repeating, they are always classified as irrational numbers. What is a number line? A number line is a line which is marked with 0 and on either side we have positive or negative numbers. They are equidistant from 0. In our next video, we are going to learn how to represent rational numbers on a number line. Homework time. Write points to remember from the PDF given to you. Please write in 200 pages new long book, plain book, and by heart these points. Thank you.